Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to earn money in Adsterra using viral media. It's a very easy method that only a few people knows about it, and I will share it with you today. And as you can see in the screen, I made a good amount of money using this method and successfully withdrew them to PayPal and Binance. So first thing, we go to the official Adsterra website, link in the description below. Then click on sign up and select as a publisher and click on start earning. Now you need to type in your data, so type in your email and type in your first and last name. Then type in your username and create a password for your account. Then in Messenger select anything. I'll select for example Facebook, and here you need to type in your Facebook profile name and lastly select your country. Then check the policy box and click on sign up. And now we need to confirm our email, so let's go to Gmail, and here's the email from Adsterra. Click on confirm and it is successfully confirmed. Now log in to your Adsterra account as a publisher using the data you submitted earlier and click on login. After you have successfully created an account, click on the arrow right here to open the menu, then select Smart Links and click on Add Smart Link, select Adult and click Add. And the Smart Link will be active in about 1 minute. So now it's pending. Let's refresh the page and it's active. Okay, now our Smart Link is active and we have finished the first step on Adsterra. So now let's move on to the next step. Now open a new tab in your browser and type in the search bar viralmedia.cc, link in the description below. This is a website where you can buy high quality followers, likes, views for social media accounts, and also they have website traffic, which that's what we'll be using today. So after you open it, click on login, then click on sign up and type in a username for your account, then your email, and create a new password for your account. Then click on sign up. After that, we need to top up our balance in viral media, so click on the profile icon, then click on top up, then enter the amount. I'll top up $10 for example, and choose your payment method. I have crypto payments, wallet payments, and Visa, MasterCard, and Google Apple Pay payments. For me, I'll choose crypto payments because it has the lowest fees. After typing the amount and choosing the method, click on proceed. Then this payment page will show up. So select the currency, I'll select USDT, and select the network. I'll select BSC because it has the lowest fees. Then click on proceed again. And send the exact amount shown on the page, including the network fee. So if the page tells you to send $10.01 and in your crypto wallet or exchange the fees is 10 cents, you have to send $10.11. So I'll get back to you after I send $10 from my Binance account. Okay, as you can see now I have $10 on my balance and we are ready for the next step. Now scroll down on the website and click on website traffic and select high quality website traffic, custom locations and devices. Then choose the amount. For me, I'll choose 2000 visits. The price of it is $1.5, and we're gonna see how much we're gonna earn in Adsterra by investing $1.5 on the traffic. So after selecting the amount, go back to Adsterra and in your smart link, click on copy link, then paste the link of your smart link here. And for the country, I will choose Israel because it has good CPM and stable views. So you need to type in IL right here, not the name of the country, only the country symbol that has 2 letters. For Israel, it's IL. And you can see all the available countries for this service right here. As you can see, CM, CI, EG. So after selecting the country, select the device. We will select mobile iOS because it has a better CPM than Android. And for the type of traffic, choose Google keyword. And for the keyword, type in make money online. and you can type anything in Google keyword. This is just an example. So after everything is set up correctly, click on next step, choose balance payment and click on proceed. And as you can see, the order is placed. So now let's go back to Adsterra and go to your statistics and wait until the traffic is delivered. You can check the progress by refreshing the page. So I'll get back to you after the traffic is fully delivered. Okay, as you can see, the traffic is fully delivered and now we have $5.07 in our Adsterra account. So we invested $1.5 and we got back $5.07. And if you invest more, we get more. And as you can see, we almost got 2,000 impressions, 1,846, and a CPM of 2.74. And for the country, we got some views from few countries, and most of them are from Israel, with a CPM of $2.84. And the minimum withdrawal in Adsterra for PayPal is $25, and for crypto is $100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and see you in the next one.